This is tutorial number 76, and it covers how to apply color within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is located on the DVD. Now in Catia, you can apply color kind of in 3 steps or 3 different hierarchies. So you can apply color to a surface, you can apply it to an entire part, or you can do it to the entire assembly. So I'm going to go through, and we're going to step through and do each of these. So first off, let's do the surfaces or faces. So all you have to do is right-click on the face you want, click Properties, and then through the graphics window, just select which color you want. So this one, let's do green, click OK, and now you can see that we've added a green color to that face. Let's do this face here. Let's right-click, click Properties, and let's click orange. Click OK. And now we have orange and green as the face colors. Now we can also do an entire part. So let's click the handle assembly, right click on it, click Properties, and let's change the color to blue. Click OK. And now the entire hand assembly there is blue. Now let's back up, so press Ctrl Z until there's no color left. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the entire part, or the entire assembly. So to do that, you have to go up the hierarchy. So let's right click on fishing reel, click Properties, and under the color graphics, let's make it red. Click OK, and now the entire part is red. So like I said before, you can do it on the surface level, the part level, or the assembly level to apply color. And that concludes our tutorial on how to apply color within Catia V5.